Can we trust a supplier twice after encountering issues? Will I recommend a supplier or a member of my team who has made a mistake, whether minor or severe? As we navigate through business and personal dealings, doubt often lingers after initial mishaps. Yet, embracing a philosophy of giving a second chance can subtly enhance our management approach and interpersonal relations. Reflecting on my personal experience with a roofing company, the initial outcome was unsatisfactory with evident flaws. However, the company's responsiveness in correcting these errors after receiving feedback proved its commitment. This prompts a vital business insight. A supplier reaction to mistakes can indeed be more telling than the mistake itself. By offering them a second chance, we not only promote an environment of accountability, but also potentially boost our system's resilience and reliability. Similarly, I encountered predictability issues with popular online platforms, which, unlike the roofing company, responded poorly to these concerns. These experiences underline the importance of managing errors constructively. When a team member makes an error, assessing their acknowledgement and corrective actions is crucial. It fosters a culture where mistakes are viewed as opportunity for growth rather than irreparable setbacks. Conclusively, while occasional slips-up are human, it's the pursuit of continuous improvement in handling these that builds trust and respect. So, turning back to our question, would I recommend the roofing company again? Absolutely, provided they maintain their diligence. As for the online platforms, I will be less inclined to endorse them due to their inadequate customer service response. In a sense, trust can be rebuilt if improvements are evident and consistent. Remember, every error corrected is a crisis skill that has been honed. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. See you soon. And don't forget, boost the system.
Clock punch, soul punch, gonna make my own lunch. This ain't my final destination. Just another step in my transformation. Time I just can't think.